This detailed walkthrough showcases the full process of designing an ankle-foot orthosis, AFO, using a patient-specific digital scan. Geared toward orthotists, orthopedic engineers, and clinicians, the video simplifies each critical step, from importing and preparing the scan, applying corrective mechanisms, designing anatomical reliefs, forming the foot arch, and defining trim lines, to creating the final flare for optimal fit and function. The techniques demonstrated are broadly applicable across multiple platforms. Why this matters? Efficiency. Digital AFO design drastically reduces the time and labor involved in traditional casting and manual fabrication. Precision. Digital tools offer consistent, repeatable results with high accuracy. Scalability. The final model can be 3D printed, enabling scalable production and quicker turnaround times. Clinical impact. By freeing up orthotists and engineers from manual processes, more time can be spent on patient care and innovation. This video marks a meaningful step forward in promoting a modernized approach to orthotic design and encourages the transition from analog to digital without sacrificing patient care or product quality.